Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change font in draw.io. All you actually need to do is first just select the text element you want to actually change the font for. Okay, so if I click on this one right here, as you can see on the right hand side, I get a bunch of options. I'll even give you a bonus tip. What you can actually do is highlight multiple text elements to change the font at once. So what you do is you hold Control on your keyboard and then you just click on them. So as you can see, I have highlighted 3 of them. And then on the right hand panel, click here on a text and you'll see this font option, right? And all you actually need to do is click on this font that is currently here, the drop down, and you will get a bunch of font options. You can even use your own custom fonts. So let's come here and just select Times New Roman. And there you go. As you can see, the font has been changed. So that is how you change a font in a draw.io.